1. Understanding what shadowing is. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to shadow English correctly. Shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. It means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say immediately, like an echo. You don't translate, you don't think too much. You just follow the sound and rhythm of English. Let's try a simple example. Say this after me. I'm learning to shadow English. Repeat it now. Good. Again. I'm learning to shadow English. That's very good. Keep going. When you shadow, you train your mouth and brain to move together, like dancing to music. At first, it feels strange or difficult. You might miss words or speak too slowly. That's okay. Everyone starts like that. The key is not to stop. Even if you can't say everything perfectly, keep moving forward with the speaker. Say this with me. I don't need to be perfect. Repeat it now. I just need to keep going. Repeat. Excellent. You're doing great. There are 3 main goals in shadowing. First, to match rhythm and intonation, the natural sound of English. Second, to improve your listening speed. Third, to build speaking confidence. Let's practice again. I'm training my ear and my mouth. Repeat. English feels smoother every time. Repeat. That's excellent work. Now you understand what shadowing really means. Not just repeating words, but connecting with how English sounds and flows. In the next section, we'll talk about how to prepare before you start shadowing, so you can learn faster and speak more naturally. 2. Morning routine. Start your day with English. The morning is the best time to set the tone for your English practice. Even if you are busy, you can spend a few minutes before work or school to train your brain in English. This creates momentum for the rest of your day. Here's a simple plan. As soon as you wake up, think of 3 sentences in English. Say them out loud. They can be about your day, your feelings, or your plans. For example, today is going to be a good day. I will study English after breakfast. I feel ready to start my morning. These short lines prepare your brain to think in English. You can also shadow a short dialogue from a video or repeat a few chunks you already know. Even brushing your teeth or making coffee is a great time to say simple sentences in English. Let's practice together now. Repeat after me. Today is going to be a good day. I feel ready to start my morning. I will practice English even if I am busy. That's very good. Keep going. By speaking in English first thing in the morning, you remind yourself that English is part of your life, not just a subject. Mini recap. A short morning routine in English wakes up your brain and sets a positive rhythm for the day. Even 5 minutes is enough to make progress. 3. Midday routine. Practice during small breaks. Now, let's look at the middle of your day. This is when life feels the busiest. You are working, studying, or moving from one place to another. But here's the secret. You can use the small breaks in your day for English practice. For example, during lunch, listen to a short English podcast or watch a short English video. If you have 5 minutes while waiting in line, review some phrases on your phone. Even walking from one place to another can be practice time if you repeat sentences in your mind. The key is to make English your companion during daily activities. You don't need to sit at a desk. You can carry English with you everywhere. Let's practice some useful midday sentences. Repeat after me. I can use small breaks to practice English. English is part of my daily life. Every small step helps me get better. That's very good. Keep going. You see, busy people have many small gaps in their day. These gaps are golden opportunities to practice. Mini recap. You don't need long study hours. Using small breaks for listening, repeating, or reviewing keeps your English alive all day. 4. Evening routine. Review and reflect. Evening is the perfect time to review what you practiced during the day. After a busy day, it may feel tiring, but spending just 10 minutes reviewing makes a big difference. This is when your brain consolidates new knowledge and prepares for long-term memory. Here's a simple plan. Before bed, recall the sentences or phrases you practiced in the morning and during the day. Speak them out loud. Think about your conversations, videos, or lessons from today. Even a short reflection like, "Today, I practiced English for 10 minutes, I feel more confident," helps your brain connect learning to real life. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Today, I practiced English and made progress. I am proud of myself for using English today. I will continue practicing tomorrow and keep improving. That's very good. Keep going. Evening review strengthens your memory and helps you wake up ready to continue the routine. Mini recap. A short evening review completes your daily English practice. Reflecting on your progress reinforces learning and prepares you for the next day. 5. Weekend routine. Longer practice sessions, weekends, are your opportunity to practice a little more deeply. Even if you are busy during the week, dedicating 20-30 minutes on the weekend helps consolidate all the learning from daily short sessions. You can focus on speaking, shadowing, or practicing conversations with a friend. For example, choose a video or a dialogue and shadow it fully. Practice telling a short story about your week in English. Record yourself speaking and listen back. This longer session strengthens both fluency and confidence. Let's practice a simple weekend reflection together. Repeat after me. This weekend, I practiced English for 20 minutes. I told a story about my week in English. I feel more confident speaking every day. That's very good. Keep going. Even one longer session per week amplifies the small daily practices and boosts your fluency. Mini recap. Use weekends for longer sessions. Practice speaking, shadowing, or storytelling to strengthen fluency and confidence. 6. Staying consistent and motivated. The final step for busy learners is consistency and motivation. It's easy to skip a day or feel too tired, but fluency comes from daily habits, not occasional effort. Even 10 minutes each day adds up over weeks and months. Here's how to stay consistent. Set small, realistic goals. For example, I will practice English 3 times today for 10 minutes each. Celebrate small wins. If you complete a week of daily practice, reward yourself. Track your progress in a notebook or on your phone. Motivation is also key. Remind yourself why you are learning English, new opportunities, confidence, travel, or personal growth. Keep these reasons visible in your mind. Let's practice motivational sentences together. Repeat after me. I practice English every day, no matter how busy I am. Small steps every day create big results. I am improving my English and becoming more confident. That's excellent. Keep going. Consistency, motivation, and a clear plan make it possible to improve English even with a busy schedule. Mini recap: daily short routines, weekend longer sessions, and staying motivated create a complete system for busy learners. 10 minutes a day is enough. If you follow the plan consistently, you are making real progress. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing daily, and each day your English will become stronger and more natural.